Previously on recent episode.
Okay. Almer. Kung saan isa tayong factory worker at parking sorter tayo dito sa company na to. Okay, next. Click! Eh, no way. May manika doon. Awa na lang. Baka bakit dugo yan? Bakit may dugo? Okay, start next day. I just finished my first day at the factory. There's something strange about this place. Exactly. Come on. Nakakita ka ng dugo doon sa generator. So I can't quite put my finger on it. At least I got paid $250. It's not bad enough. Come on. Keep telling myself tomorrow will be better, but deep down, I'm not so sure anymore. I mean, we all have that same feeling, man. Come on. Okay, day 2 sa trabaho. Parang gusto ko na agad mag-resign.
Hurry up, new
Sagot.
guy. You have a lot of work.
Teka lang, di pa ako nagta-time in. Diyos ko naman. So, saan ako didiretso? Uniform?
Go to the utility room on your way to the workshop and grab a bucket. The ceiling in the workshop is leaking a bit.
Okay. Shit, ang dilim. Oh, ilaw. Thank you. Ilaw. Bakit may mga manika dyan? Come on. I'm not picking those up. Close. Good job ako sa closed doors. Kailangan kasi isa ka. Come on. Oh, ilaw. Dilim. That place.
I have improved
Oh.
the dolls. Now
Okay.
they have a voice function. So now you have to check if it works as intended. Check the rules for details.
Okay. Voice function control instructions. Tilt the doll, then bring it back to an upright position to activate the voice. Make sure the doll does not say anything inappropriate. Okay. What do you mean? Make sure. Di ba dapat hindi ganun yung mga manika? Diyos ko naman. Okay. Lima. Lima. Lima din. Lima din. Lima. Okay, sweet cheeks. Bye-bye. Next. Lima. Lima.
Open the window and fly.
Anong open the window and fly? Na, bra. You're making me suicidal. Bye-bye. Next. Lima. 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 Lima ba? Ano yung pumitik na yun? Ay, no way, man. Come on. Disposal. Ayoko nyan. Hindi ka makakalabas dapat dito. Ano pa?
Oh, I forgot to mention. From time to time, we get custom requests for special types of dolls.
Okay.
You will find all related instructions and the order itself on the right table.
Okay.
Every completed order significantly
Okay.
increases your paycheck, so don't mess it up.
Okay, sige. Basta bigyan mo lang ako pera palagi. Order 0001. An event planner orders custom dolls as party favors for a fairy tale team birthday celebration. The dolls will add a touch of enhancement for the young guests. Should say I love you. What the f***? Kala ko nagiging dugo. What? Come on. Next. Lima, lima. Lima, lima. Oh, ito. Nag-I love you siya. Tama. Okay. Tapos. Oh, ito. Custom order instructions. Put the doll in a bag. Box pala. Tapos the order slip. Send the order in the fulfillment room. Okay, dyan ka lang. Gahanap tayo. Fulfillment room. Assembly generator utility exit. Oh, ayun. Fulfillment. Come on. Ang dilim. Oh, pick it up. RMB open close. Whoa. Ah, panis. Okay. Bye-bye. Okay, workshop ulit. place. Tapos, okay. Close. Wow. Okay, next. Touch. Nice. Oh. Send.
It seems like you understand how this works. Now let's continue with your usual work.
Okay. Usual work. Come on. Go, let's go, let's go. 5. May nakinig ako tumawa. Come on. 5. Tagito, tagito. Say that again. Lol, lol. Next. Okay. Come on. Gusto ko na matapos shift ko. Ayoko sa mga manika. Come on. 5.
Can you bleed?
I mean, hindi ako si Superman pero nagdugugo ako. Disposal. Next. 5. Oh no, baka ano yan? Bakit yan healing? Fuck that, disposal. Come on, next. Kailangan sa factory, mabilis tayo. Come on. Ano nangyari doon? Come on. Bala kayo dyan. Di ako, HK. 5. Okay, hindi yung very nice. Come on, may nakita akong kumalat na doll parts. Natakot ako doon. Come on. Sweet Cheeks Okay. Sweet Cheeks collaborates with a puppeteer to create interactive puppet dolls with movable limbs and expressive faces, encouraging imaginative play for all ages. Must have yellow eyes. Ito, yellow eyes. 5. Okay. Next. Close lang natin. Ayan. Mabuti tayong tagabahado. Come on. Pag may nakita tayo, magsalita tayo o gumawa tayo ng mabuti kahit walang nakatingin. On and back. Done, man. Come on. Out of there. Fulfillment. Next. Come on. Sakak. Yun na yun? Okay, wala na. Next. Kalat. Bala kayo dyan. Di ako HK. Next. 5. Ay! Ina mo. That man. Come on, disposal. Don't do that to me. Come on. Next. 5. Gusto ko na lang matapos shift ko. Tagito. Okay. Sasalita siya. Okay, nice. 5. 5. Oh. Tulis. Pass.
You've got to be blind. This is far from okay.
What do you mean? Ay, go. Sharp. Baka. Hindi okay yung mata. Baka. This shit. Disposal. Hindi okay yung mata niya. Oh, tama. Yes.
What's wrong again? The conveyor seems to be stuck.
What do you mean?
Go to the assembly room further
Ako
down
na
the
naman.
corridor and fix it.
Buisit all around ako. Do not under any circumstances. Ano? Ba? Dito? Oh shit, man. Ang dami manika. Come on. Diba? Come on. Sure to God, pag may isa sa inyo lumingon. Hindi na ako lilingon sa likod. Ayoko, may nagka-catcall sa akin. Bala ka dyan. Hindi ako titingin sa likod. Titingin ako sa gilid. Out of there. Uy, gagi. May note. Few weeks in, I still haven't seen anyone else. All I got is the director's voice from the loudspeakers. He always watching. I can feel it. Does he ever leave? What do you mean? Sino kasi K? K dot. Wait lang, K dot. Kendrick Lamar? Out of there, man. Ano yan? Maayos ka. Ba't tumitingin? Bakit ganyan yan? Alisin lang natin. Come on. Okay. Please. What? Gagi ba tumikli yan? Please. Get me out of here, man. Ano nangyari doon? Ba't mahaba to ah? Wait, ba't wala palang tao dito? Dapat may gumagawa niyan eh. Bakit ganon? O inuubos ko lang. Okay. Uy! Ano yun? Naba ko. Bakit nandito ako? Ano nagyari? Ano yun? Na nagiinip ang putek. On. Kailangan ko matapos yung shift ko. Number 555. 556. Isika pa yung damit? Wala. Okay. Come on. Ano tayo? Bye-bye. Pass. Thank you. 5555. 55. Yan yung nga sa'yo. Oh, sige. Bye-bye. Pass. 5-5. Na bro. Oo, dugog ako. Ikaw dudugog ka dyan. Magdugo sa ka dyan. Come on. 5555. Di man naman. Okay, sweet chicks. Bye-bye. Walang sweet chicks. Bad chicks. Next. 555. Oh no, baka disposal. Fuck shit. Ano yun? Sagada natin dyan. Oh. Bakit may manika dyan? Oh, this disposal. Come on. Ayoko tumitingin siya sa akin. Disposal. Thank you. Out of there. Next. 5555. 555. Bye-bye. Okay, next. 555. 5. What the? Ang tulis niya. Bye-bye. Okay. Hindi ko na siya titignan ng matagal na. Tatakot ako. 555. 5552 na. Okay, bye-bye. Ano yun?
Alright, that's all, Bridget. Are you blind
What?
or just incompetent? The doll is displaying facial movement, which is completely unacceptable.
Hindi, bakit biglang gumalaw yun? Okay yun ah. Return back to utility. Okay, bye-bye.
Oh my god, bro.
Ano yan? Bakit may dugo na naman dyan? Don't come tomorrow. Come on man. It's either piliin mo yung trabaho o mabayaran mo yung tax. Come on. Fuck this. Diyan ka, wala ka dyan. Please. Go home. Bye-bye. Uwi na ako. Okay, walang security. Bye-bye. Out of there.
Not bad. For once. But don't push your luck next time.
What the fuck? Makaltasan pa ako ng 60 pesos. Okay.